If you're looking for a working Hostinger coupon code along with a quick Hostinger review, this video will show you how to get one of the best web hosting deals available today. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, and you'll unlock an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months automatically at checkout. Here's the difference. Most links online give around a 10% extra discount, but this one gives a full 20% extra discount, along with 3 extra months, making it one of the best Hostinger deals right now. If pricing doesn't match your country, just click the flag icon at the top right and select your location to update it instantly. In this Hostinger review, performance and simplicity really stand out. You get fast speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and light-speed servers for better optimization. The Hostinger website builder helps you create a professional site easily, even as a beginner. It also includes a simple control panel, one-click WordPress setup, and reliable uptime. With these features, Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms for beginners and growing websites. And every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without risk. The extra 20% discount plus 3 additional months helps lower the total cost significantly. So if you're planning to start a website, just click the link below or scan the QR code to activate this deal instantly. And as your needs grow, Hostinger also offers advanced tools like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger openclaw, and Hostinger N8N. To get the full savings, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months.